Our members don't just write about what they do, they show it. Share your story through video and let your commitment shine, so people feel connected to you before they ever walk through your doors. Let's take a look at how to do that on the posting board. Start by visiting thepostingboard.com and clicking Login at the top right. Select the Member Login tab, then enter your email address and password. From your members' dashboard, scroll down to the video section. Click Video and then select New Video to begin posting. If you need video inspiration, click the link that says Need Video Content Suggestions. Begin by typing your video title in the title field. Next, choose the appropriate category from the drop-down list. You can also upload a thumbnail image for your video. Click Upload Image to add your own, or select stock photos to choose one provided. Now, paste your YouTube or Vimeo link in the field provided. Be sure to include the full link so it embeds properly. Add smart tags, short keywords separated by commas, to make your video easier to find. If your video isn't hosted on YouTube or Vimeo, paste its embed code in this field. Next, add a detailed description so visitors will know what your video is about. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Save to post your video. That's it! Your video will soon be live on your profile. You can return to the Videos section anytime to add more. Your hard work deserves to be seen in the right space. Thepostingboard.com. Treatments, one-stop resource site. Share your care and grow your impact.